First come guy game. Gonna get the cup. Me see some African man a play this, so me make me and my little brother try. You see. Yo YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Today we have 3 bad challenge for you, you see. First one, flip a buckle challenge, you see it, you don't know. Anybody flick a buckle, it really sweet, make it land, get the conky head of somebody, and somebody set away, you know, so just drop a like before we start. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Walk up it.
You!
Who first get 6 conk, lose. No. Bad fall.
Rottweiler.
Shih Tzu. Mongrel dog. Good so. You know must get toloh.
No.
Hit him.
No.
Pass.
Yes. Let me take.
Back out the camera no man.
Juju.
Alright. First come guy game. Come. In the camera.
Don't come
no
here,
man.
please.
Bend down the man and see the camera they don't look in the camera man and not get your conk. Come on again. Come on my side. One that you know 5 left now go not 2 5. No.
6.
One that. Dead conk. Alright, watch out now. Wriggle. Chooping. Bad. Alright. Baptist Church. Alright, that one name. Guns.
Fully.
Darkest life.
Boom, what?
Everything like so lose. We are the man who eat that. Brother,
One for conquer.
I just trim brother.
One for conquer.
Part my fire but not hard. Watch ya.
You mean I want to come with me?
Wait, come me hard and I get the chance. Let me tell you that. Rip him. Come here and I get the chance. I eat that yo.
Don't please, Dad.
Eh? Looking at the camera for your thumbnail. This one bad thumbnail. But come face no man. I prefer a slap with this. Which one I prefer?
Fan slap with this.
No, for your fire, they're bright.
I come.
Alright. At him. Hit. Gore.
Why?
Top coat me soft, cause me not take time with you. Gore.
Is there? What?
If you didn't slip, you get the artist come care about getting in your life.
With his spoon.
With the spoon?
Yeah.
With the spoon, I say. Come down, no man, I go like saying, no, say. Looking at the camera, no man. Come man, Gigi, sing some vibes, man. Come for your conch. Come.
Not with this spoon.
With the spoon, I say. With the spoon, I say.
Yeah.
With the spoon, I say.
I want.
Alright, one spoon. Look. Chew it back, man. Video nice. What you do? Yo, drop a like on the video if you not drop a like. Brother, make the back show, man. Last one, that. Come on, man.
Please, Dad, don't come. One last chance.
Yeah.
With this spoon. Come on, make cocoa in my forehead.
Cocoa. Alright, let's slap with the water back in.
Alright.
So, alright, this is a challenge now. I finish the lyrics. I get slapped with the buckle. Like how I'm slap enough time, test it out for me. For sure they say real like everything.
And then
It's not. What's that? Give me a rock, paper, scissors already. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
the artist in a chapter 2. Round my phone, me send a few.
Part 2, so them a chopper, bro, them a chapu. What you know about top coat? Pan jet blue. Watch your money, dog. I mean, talk shampoo. But
Free
where she come
from
man, they make me chant, hey boy, finish the lyrics. Boy, Yaffy.
boy happy. What is that biscuit fully chip? No, me rich pass it, but me bring your money pretty little bit. But your girl, my you cash you over something, so we lock it out.
Finish the lyrics, man.
We finish it.
Alright.
Finish the lyrics, sir. Get liquid on your head. I said I feel invisible.
What?
There's a honey nigga in there.
Where I talk about?
Pop Smoke, there's a honey nigga in there.
Which someone I talk about?
There's a honey nigga in this spot. It's 85, just a walk.
Alright. Finish the lyrics.
Yeah.
Miss Salt, Miss Salt, Miss Salt.
Miss Salt, Miss Salt, Miss Salt. Jam in the door.
Wrong. The song said, Miss Salt, Miss Salt, Miss Salt. Oh, I forget lucky. I me not even know it, but hold on.
We didn't jam up me hands so far.
Your time.
Finish the lyrics. I tell you once, I tell you twice. I D for the
Night.
and where the squeak.
I just want to squeak.
Alright, correct.
I not even get to write. You're fool, brother. I have to sing out some part of your song, brother. You just... Finish the lyrics. Money upon my mind, not to chat him out.
Bingo, what are you talking about? Girl, come make me stab you out, lock him out.
And the song song go. There you go. Money upon my mind, not to chat him out. Bang your line, bingo. Now we cashing out. Girl, bring it, nookie, come, make me stab it out. Me have it clout. Really hard man, none near me thought. Check out the song, the link I down in the description.
Finish the lyrics or get licking on your head. That trouble make you money faster.
Top coat. Rich na the Benz, you know see the clutch boot. What you
No,
say?
rich na me Kyle, you know see the back boot. You know give me breathe.
Rich na me what? Rich na me what?
Rich na me crime.
Rich na me crime, that no make no sense. Rich na me Benz, you know see the black boot.
No.
I swear you... Brother. Last night me and Marksman a reason, brother.
Yeah, man, you not even know Max, man.
I joke, but none of them know where song go, so who forget lick?
You?
The two of we are right, all this. Do what you do, no, man?
No,
Come, no, man. So, finish the lyrics. Me say we out here is talking dineros.
Big teeth, panny line, richer than Pharaoh. What it talk psycho about it, I know Air Force, them gal. Some fresher than Mentos.
All of me dog, them a crew.
If you want learn, take a page out of the book. Jump on the line and me book a whole foot fan. She hear the bang and told you know, say she get hooked. The lyrics are get licking on your head. Watch this come walk, watch this come talk. Craft singing.
Watch this camera walk.
When you
Watch this
see me with the
camera
Ruga,
talk.
when you see me with the Ruga.
And then you see him sing that, brother. Watch this camera walk. Watch this camera talk. I suppose NPT that, but I don't remember. What is this?
Alright, me a give you a chance.
No give me no chance, because I'm not give. Finish the lyrics. E-ha! E-ha! I don't tell you. I don't tell you.
No, that you say.
Alright, it's all go. E-ha! Wait, here go. E-ha! E-ha! Dog them a bang your line, car broke back.
Yeah, me love you, but this with the touch back. 620 players and no dumb chat. Lucky G,
I
we get it.
No, man. I'm tell you, come on. Come on, come. Hour.
Me never use the partner so you
Alright,
can't.
alright.
Finish the lyrics I get licking on your head. That's very disrespectful. Shut your mouth. Nobody say nothing. Oh, me figure just you.
Manity. On a broke like dog, food for the charity. My granny would have said, oh no piece of whole fat. Me glad how me no friendly. People bad man are full of envy. And you me flagship, me charge like battery. Finish the lyrics. The artist been a chat too. Ramp with the food,
Let
make
me
me
send
send
few
few.
part two. They say them a chap that bro, them a chap too. What you know about it too? Me sending money to me not remember.
Put on here. When this a painted guy, we listen craft every day.
We ain't never know something better about me and mix up.
Alright, go on again. One more try.
What go again?
Okay.
Wait, one more time.
No, I don't. I too much chance. Come now, man. This. What happened? nasty and fret. We have a video on the man poop. Man nasty and fret. This is one of the nastiest man.
Alright, complete the lyrics or get licking at your head.
Guys,
Complete the lyrics or get licking at your head. Nigga, white chips from Morai. Sure look good on the Morai.
Spoiler, moolaya. Nigga, why you chipping, get your mood right. Show them the mood in the mood light.
No, Morai. Morai. Nigga, white chips from Morai. Sure look good on Morai. How do you go by my spotlight? Morai.
Your bed boss, wait, look at me, look at me. Finish the lyrics. I've couple friends in a blue suit, bang on your gas cool.
With the rat you.
No. I've couple friends in a blue suit, bang on your gas cool. In a classroom, get high wine, watching cartoon. Nah, bang then, you is a ras fool. Oh, what a blood clot head. See a thing, look more and I go.
Yeah, poop. Mumba. Watching cartoons.
Stop pooping a man for the bread and talk on go like you walk on style, man.
No.
Alright, ready.
We are Tina.
He's nervous, come here. Me see some African man a play this, so me make me and my little brother try use it. Then put the spoon in their mouth. Yo guys, subscribe to the channel now, man. Look at this video. Drop a like on the video. If you don't drop a like, you can just subscribe to the channel. All in the video done, you still a practice and can't flip it back. Watch ya. All in the video done, still a practice and can't flip it back. Poor thing. Yo, my G. Yo, look ya.
What?
How you feel to be a lunatic?
How you feel for your back your face?